Here is how we can copy and paste the iPhone text messages. So you can go to the messages app like this and get to any conversation where you have some text, right? And for example, in here, I have a bunch of text bubbles and I can hold it down individually on any of them like this. And this is going to make it pop up so I can react to it and also make some changes. But there is the ability to click on a copy. And when I click on a copy, the text inside of that particular text bubble is going to be copied to the clipboard, right? So if I, for example, go to my notes, right, and I don't know, I want to type something in, I can click on the cursor, tap paste, and this is the text which gets pasted from the messages. So that's how you can do it. A lot of times people don't want to paste just one message at a time. So if you want to, for example, copy the whole thing in here, all of the text I see, I can take a screenshot like that. And now I can tap on the screenshot and select the text like this. And now I'll have the ability to select not just one text bubble, but, just keep on going like this. All of the recognized text on the screen is going to be editable and copyable. So I can click on a copy and copy the whole thread if I wanted to. So that's how you can approach this. Let me know if it worked the same way on your device as well, but definitely subscribe for more tips and videos from Foxtecc, and I'll see you later.